Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let's talk about the DXY. So the wave 4 correction looks complete for the DXY. This could very well be the bottom of that correction and the price will start to move up from here. Coincidentally, this is also the middle of the channel. So, however, this move up will be choppy, to say the least, in the coming weeks before it breaks out the top here and then for a final wave 5. And we think this final wave 5 could hit all the way up to 99. This 99 red line over here. So for the bull case, let's hypothesize that this is the bottom. So what do we want? How do we want to play this trade in order to minimize risk? So what we're looking for is really a test of the top here and then retrace to the bottom. This is where we will enter, put a stop loss here and then try to ride it all the way up. Now for the bear case, if this level, as it goes up and comes back down and this level fails to hold, we could be seeing a deeper wave 4 correction. And this, do not be surprised if this wave 4 correction brings us all the way down to the 93 level and then before moving all the way up again.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.